Hi everyone. Here we are with our very first video from Learner's Deck. As an introduction, what is Learner's Deck? Learner's Deck is basically an online platform which focuses on the professionals and students working in different domains. Our core purpose is to provide solutions in day-to-day dealings of professionals and students working in various projects. The very first topic that we have actually selected is Google Drive. Google Drive, as you all know, is a cloud-based service which provides utmost features which can actually ease your life, and features which are not known by professionals and students. So we'll try to focus on these features, we'll try to explain through videos, and we'll try to let them know that how they can make life easier. For this, the only prerequisite is a Gmail account. Once you have your Gmail ID, you can go to your Drive. The direct link to the drive is drive.google.com. That is drive.google.com. This will act as your landing page. The left pane has some options and we'll go one by one through all of these. The very first option is My Drive. My Drive has all the data that you have uploaded on your cloud storage. If anybody has shared something with you, it will have that as well. Everything and anything that your drive has will be available in your My Drive. The second option is Shared with Me. This is a smart option. Like if your colleagues or your co-partners have shared something with you, so you don't have to waste time and go to My Drive and scroll down and see where it is. Just go to Shared with Me and you'll find documents which anyone else has shared with you. The third one is very important feature which is called Recent. So teams which are working in collaboration with one another usually works on a similar document on daily basis. So for example, if my colleague was working on a document and I have to see the progress of that document, maybe a Gantt chart or something like that, so I'll directly go to this Recent tab and it will show me what was the last file we have worked on. Start is another option which works as an important action. There are obviously files everyone carries which we want to know where they are placed. So if you have marked any star to any of your documents, presentation or file, it will appear in this section. The last one, that is Trash, will carry all the deleted files in case you want to keep it for safe purposes. Also, the good thing to know is that Google also provides the backup option, so you do have this leverage as well. Please note that 15 GB cloud storage on Google Drive is free, and above that there are certain packages. So I believe that the cloud storage which is free, that is 15 GB, is actually more than enough. Now we'll move to the right hand side of our screen, which is this one. See, I have clicked on this document and there are two major options. The very first one is this eye mark, which enables the details of the files which I have just used. Like for example, I have clicked here this file and it will show me which were the recent activities or any activities in the past which were made on this file. The details of these activities can be seen here if any changes were made by me or any other collaborators. So if you're working in teams, this option will definitely give you a boost. The second option is the view. You can change the view of your screen in two ways. Either it can appear as details or as grid. So that depends on you. So I hope that you must have enjoyed this video. The next video in this section will be in regards to this new button, and we'll let you know which type of documents are being supported by Google Drive and what are the major options. And there are certainly some very important discoveries that we'll be revealing in this section. So stay tuned and keep watching our videos. Please, if you like this video, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to it so you don't miss any more